So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen a machete, or they call it a bolo here. And the first thing I guess you do is start, you got to find a rough rock and a smoother rock like this and put water on it to give it lubrication, since we don't have oil. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen this up. I've been sharpening it for a while, but this is basically the technique from what my instructor tells me. And then turn it over. So as you can see, this rock's a little bit coarser and it has more bumps in it. And then this one's a little smoother. Again, I'm going to put some more. Same technique. And quite a sharp machete. It cuts you off really good.